All right, I think it's August the 22nd, the year 2018. We got a Husqvarna, you guys see the number, YTH2348. And you think you're gonna go mow the yard for a couple hours, but then what happens, you turn a sharp corner on an incline, and this tire right here popped right off. There's a bushing that goes in here, and I don't know where it is. It just fell off in the lawn somewhere. I've looked for it for a long time, can't find it. So this tire has to be replaced. I wanted to show, this is the tire on the other side. As you can tell, the air thing is on this. This means this is the outside of the tire. It's got a grease gun where I greased it pretty good because I wanted to pull it off and grease it and just see how it goes back on. So before I put it on, let's put this as a close-up. All right. So you got your grease gun. You greased it up from the inside. You want to make sure all of that's in there as much as possible. So put that back on. There we go. And then you take your 3 flat washers, put on, and then you got a keeper key that looks like that, and that goes right in the slot. Got to use some sort of there we go. So now you got this wheel completely set, and then it's got a dust cover. You have to order these from Husqvarna because I don't think they sell them at Lowe's. So then there we go. All right. All right. So we got the old one put on, but that wasn't the problem, right? The problem was on the other side. So let's go to the other side. Remember, the problem was this one, and the bushing has gone. It's fell out. It's somewhere in the lawn, and I was mowing so much. By the time I noticed it, this bushing was gone, and so I can't use this tire anymore. So I had to go get another tire. I've got a bushing on order, but the bushing is going to take probably 4 or 5 days to get here, and I don't want to wait 4 or 5 days. So let's go to the other side. This is another, it's a 16-inch tire, and it's a Arnold. You guys see that? An Arnold 16-inch front tractor tire. Now it's supposed to work with Husqvarna, but you can tell which side is the outside because of course the valve stem is going to go on the outside, and the grease fitting is going to go on the inside. So we're gonna, you know what I'm gonna do too? I'm gonna take a little bit of this grease and just put it all around here. You know, get it right in here real good. I don't know if it means a hill of beans or not, but that's what we're gonna do regardless. Okay. So then we're going to take this tire and then we're going to take now this one I've noticed it won't hold 3, it'll only hold 2. So we're going to do that. Now you got to put your keeper ring back on. And sometimes that can be a little tricky. There we go. All right. You think it'll work? Now, I got these washers, but they don't fit. The hole in the middle ain't big enough. I'd have to drill them out. but I don't need them anyway. That looks pretty good. So we're gonna go with that. And I had this thing up on a block of wood, so let's pull it off the wood, start it up and see if it drives. So the real test is, you think this thing will stay on when I'm mowing? Well, you guys are about to find out. Let's find out together. Alright, so as far as I can tell, it's going to work, but I went ahead and ordered an extra bushing and a dust cover for my extra tire, and I'll just keep that as a spare for the next time a tire comes off your Husqvarna YTH2348 lawnmower. And all in all, we fixed it for less than 50 bucks. I think it was $41 for the new tire. I think the new bushing was like $4 or $5, and I ordered a new dust cover too. And they didn't have it, but if I get a chance to find one, I'm going to try to order an extra one of those keepers, because if I lose that keeper, that's a critical piece to keeping the tire on. So I'll keep my eyes open for those in the future, and we'll just put it in the spare parts bin. But when you go out to mow the yard, you want to spend your time mowing the yard, not fixing your lawnmower. So y'all take care, have a great day, God bless.